thought I was breaking, but I was just becoming. Slowly, slowly, I've been walking through the silence of my doubts. Every answer I believe just fell out. Tried to build a life from shattered plans, but every time it slipped right through my hands. I called it failure, I called it pain, but every loss was calling out my name. Like, don't stop here, there's more to see. A hidden version of me I couldn't believe. And every time I hit the ground, I found a new way up somehow. The end I feared was just a door to something I was made for. There is no failure, only ways that didn't work. Every broken line just drew a deeper spark. I'm not falling down, I'm learning how to rise through every shadow. I see clearer skies. No failure, no end in sight, just different paths turning into light. I'm not lost, I'm on my way, becoming who I am today. I've seen the nights turn heavy in my mind, where every dream felt too far behind. But even stars take time to shine through endless dark before they align. So I kept walking through the unknown, even when I felt alone. Every mistake was a lesson carved in stone. Now I understand, I've grown. And every time I hit the ground, I found a new way up somehow. The end I feared was just a door to something I was made for. There is no failure, only ways that didn't work. Every broken line just drew a deeper spark. I'm not falling down, I'm learning